In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search view tool inside of ReviewPro. So this is going to be really helpful whenever you are searching for products on Amazon. And so let's say, for example, I search for electric shower spinner. I'm going to see all of the results right here. And let me just scroll down maybe just a little bit. So I could see the product score information for all of these products down below. And this will show me daily sales, revenue, how many Amazon influencer videos are on there. And also, if I've done a product review for any of these products, it will show me where my video is placed. Is it at the top? Is it at the bottom? Is it at both? I haven't personally reviewed this product quite yet, and so it's at neither. But it's going to be really helpful and valuable information moving forward. Now, a really cool thing about this tool is if I click the bottom right button, ReviewPro, it will show me a table of all of this information all at once. And so if I want to, I can categorize all of these products highest by lowest with the ProScore. Here's a product title, the ASIN. It will show me the 30-day revenue. And also it will show me the number of influencer videos for each of these products, which is really helpful. So let's say if I wanted to rank by the products that had the lowest amount of review videos, meaning the highest opportunity for me, I could see that a lot of products have 0 influencer videos on here, which is pretty amazing. And it will also show me the price. And also I can edit these columns in case I want to take any of these metrics out. And if I want to kind of simplify the view, which is kind of helpful depending on what you're wanting to look at. I find that some of the most valuable information is the daily sales, the 30-day sales, but also the 30-day revenue, okay? And also the top and the bottom carousel. The top and the bottom carousel essentially shows you how many Amazon influencer videos are at the top of the product page and then how many are at the bottom of the product page. This is crazy because you cannot see this information from here. You'd have to click into the product to be able to find that. And so here you'll be able to quickly identify, okay, this product has 6 or 7 or 8 influencer videos at the top of the product page, or this one has 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, etc. So that is the search view. And you can do this with any products that you search for on Amazon. All you have to do is simply click the bottom right button where it says ReviewPro. And you can also customize the columns, the settings right here with this little gear button if you want to add in any of the other metrics. And so that you have all the information all at once. And all you need to do, go ahead and hit the refresh button and then it'll show up. So I hope that makes sense as far as the search view. Do it with any Amazon products that you search for. And if you want, what you can do is click the top right button, your ReviewPro extension. If you ever want to turn that off, all you have to click is that toggle on and off button. And so it'll hide. And if you want it back on, you can click it back on just like that. Hope that makes sense. And I'll see you in the next video.